In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure common recipient fields in Docusign Esignature. Let's explore each step to make sure you feel confident navigating this process. We'll be going through the whole configuration, starting from getting into Docusign to making sure your recipient fields are set correctly. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is the leading platform in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, which makes it a go-to tool for many businesses looking to streamline their document processes. Once you're on the homepage, you will want to locate and click on the Login button. It's typically found in the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password and you'll be taken to your Docusign home screen. Now that you're logged in, we'll want to navigate over to Docusign Home. This forms the hub from which you can access all your templates and manage your documents. Once at the home screen, look for the option to select a template. Templates are very handy as they save you time by not having to recreate documents from scratch every single time. Choose the template that you need to work on and open it up. With the template open, you'll need to add details relevant to the document you're working with. Be thorough here, inputting all necessary information that will personalize the document and make it ready for signature. Once you've ensured all details are correct, you can proceed by clicking on the Next button, usually located towards the bottom or right hand side of the screen. The next stage involves adding fields to your document. This is where you specify which parts of the document require input from the recipient. For instance, you might have signature fields, date fields, and text fields if you're expecting them to fill out further information. Take your time to accurately place all fields and review them. Missing out on critical fields can lead to back and forth with your recipients, which might slow down the process. After fields are placed, it's essential to assign these fields to your recipients. Here's where you ensure that the right person is filling out or signing in the correct areas of the document. Look over each field, confirming the correct recipient is designated for each part. This can typically be done by selecting the field and choosing the intended recipient from a drop-down menu, and there you have it. With these steps, you're able to configure recipient fields in a breeze, making your document ready for sending and ultimately minimizing errors and time lost to revisions. Remember, like anything, it gets easier with practice. So don't be afraid to explore and familiarize yourself even more with the Docusign features. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you're well on your way to enhancing your document management processes using Docusign Esignature.